Petrospec Engineering is pleased to introduce ThermVIEW, a proprietary data visualization package for viewing DTS data. Petrospec is an oilfield services and technology company headquartered in Canada with global operations. The company specializes in thermal heavy oil reservoir monitoring and production optimization. Petrospec is the leading supplier of these products in the domestic Canadian in-situ oil sands sector, involved in all major SAGD projects. The company is a pioneer in coiled tubing instrumentation and services, leveraging a unique integration facility located within a retired airstrip base in Edmonton, Alberta. The company also is a technology frontrunner in harsh environment fiber optics technology via the acquisition of Corex, with complete product development and manufacturing facilities located in the heart of a photonics cluster near Boston. Petrospec offers industry's broadest range of high-temperature rated reservoir monitoring products and complete turnkey systems and packages. Instrumentation integrated into coiled tubing, also referred to as sensor tube, is available in standard sizes to accommodate various rigs and sensor installation options, and offers many benefits in deployment flexibility and longevity. Over the past few years, fiber optic distributed sensors have been rapidly adopted in the thermal heavy oil sector to take advantage of real-time, full wellbore monitoring capability of the technology to track well events and changes over time. Refinement in fiber technology has allowed practical systems to address the measurement performance and reliability challenges of the harsh downhole environment of thermal wells. These refinements are captured in Petrospec's Hydrolite Distributed Temperature Sensor System, or DTS, the first fiber optic product rated for continuous 300 degrees C operation. Unlike legacy high-temperature reservoir monitoring products such as thermocouples and point pressure sensors, DTS systems, such as Hydrolite, generate large amounts of data, which can be difficult and cumbersome for operators to manage. This has led Petrospec to develop ThermVIEW, a DTS visualization software package for easy importing and viewing of data. DTS data from the instrument, generated in a custom file format, is transferred and imported to a client's Windows-based PC for viewing. A typical data connection is shown. It is important to take note that the equipment to the left of the red dotted line is supplied by Petrospec, and the equipment to the right of this line is to be supplied by the customer. This includes the customer's Windows-based server, which stores the TDMS files from the Petrospec DTS controller, and the customer's Windows-based PC running the ThermVIEW software. The customer's Windows-based server can be configured to access the DTS data files, which are of the TDMS format, and then the customer can easily import these files to his or her PC using ThermVIEW for viewing and analysis. The DTS controller also allows for manually downloaded TDMS files to a flash drive, which can then be hand-carried to the customer's PC and imported using ThermVIEW. This is convenient for remote installations where the intended role of ThermVIEW is to allow visualization of large quantities of well temperature data to look for trends and deviations in the uniformity of the wells. To accomplish this goal, ThermVIEW uses a structured data folder hierarchy and a fast index lookup system to allow the user to quickly and efficiently navigate hundreds of wells with thousands of log files for each well, and a highly flexible and customizable 3D rendering area for visualizing the data. The importing data function is intended primarily to be used to import log files from thumb drives with data dumps from the field enclosures, but it can be used to import valid log files from any location. Let's go through a brief tutorial. The Select Data button will bring up this dialog window. From here, the user can configure what data to visualize as well as configure some of the visualization options. Click to toggle the visibility of the cursor. A check mark will be placed next to the cursor or cursors that are currently visible. The plot is the data or data surface itself, as opposed to the graph, which is the area which holds the plotted data. The following options exist for the plot. Plot styles include line, hidden line, contour, surface, surface and line, surface and contour, transparency, as well as projections. The graph area is where the data will be projected and the main interface for interacting with the data. Using the mouse, it is possible to rotate and zoom the display. Graph options are used to change how the graph itself is displayed, such as the graphing grids. The following options are available. orthographic, perspective, fast draw, and show grid planes. Click on the Open 2D View button on the left toolbar ribbon and the 2D window will pop up for you to see the familiar 2D line graph. Many options are available to you to see your data to your specific needs, like clicking on the plus, minus buttons to see your data in a timeline. When you click on the Change Color Scale button on the left toolbar ribbon, the 3D Legend window will pop up for you to choose your minimum and maximum temperature setting to correlate with the color scale. Minimum and maximum temperature are automatically inputted for you. Click on the Export Graph button on the left toolbar ribbon and the 3D graph on your screen will be saved in a PNG image file format. Thank you for your interest in our ThermVIEW software package.